Mastering Sitecore Experience Cloud. Our Sitecore Experience Cloud's success hinges on just a handful of metrics. When evaluating the performance of our Sitecore Experience Cloud, what are the key metrics that our team uses to measure the success of its operations? In the context of Sitecore Experience Cloud's operational excellence, the key metrics used to measure the success of its operations are categorized into 4 distinct areas: customer experience, content operations, platform performance, and data-driven decision-making. Customer experience metrics. 1. Page load time, PLT, the average time it takes for a web page to load, which directly impacts user experience and should be less than 3 seconds. 2. Bounce rate, the percentage of visitors who leave the site immediately, which should be below 30%. 3. Conversion rate, the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, such as filling out a form or making a purchase, which should be above 2%. 4. Search engine optimization, SEO, rankings, the website's ranking on search engines, which should be improving over time. 5. User satisfaction scores, feedback collected through surveys or other means, which should indicate a high level of satisfaction, greater than 80%. Content operations metrics. 1. Content freshness, the percentage of content updated in the last 30 days, which should be above 20%. 2. Content quality score, a subjective score based on factors like accuracy, relevance, and engagement, which should be above 0.8. 3. Content publication cycle time, the time it takes to publish new content, which should be less than 2 weeks. 4. Content inventory turnover, the percentage of content updated or removed in the last 6 months, which should be above 30%. 5. Author productivity, the number of content items published per author per month, which should be increasing over time. Platform performance metrics. 1. Uptime and downtime, the percentage of time the platform is available and responsive, which should be above 99.9%. 2. Response time, the average time it takes for the platform to respond to user requests, which should be less than 1 second. 3. Error rate, the percentage of user requests resulting in errors, which should be below 1%. 4. CPU and memory utilization, resource usage levels, which should be below 70%. 5. Scalability and load handling, the platform's ability to handle increased traffic and load, which should be above 200% of average traffic. Data-driven decision-making metrics. 1. Data completeness and quality, the percentage of complete and accurate customer data, which should be above 90%. 2. Data refresh rate, the frequency of data updates, which should be in near real time. 3. Data-driven decision rate, the percentage of business decisions made based on data insights, which should be above 80%. 4. Return on investment, ROI, analysis, the financial returns on investment in data-driven initiatives, which should be above 3 to 1. 5. Customer segmentation accuracy, the accuracy of customer segmentation models, which should be above 85%. By tracking and analyzing these key metrics, the Sitecore Experience Cloud operations team can measure the success of its operations, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize the customer experience, content operations, platform performance, and overall business outcomes.